Hello.
Hola.
So we're bored.
This is Sudi. I'm Poopy, Cookie, whatever.
She's booty.
That Poopy.
We have no lives. We're waiting for Natalie to come out of work.
Hurry the fuck up.
We just had to do this whole applEstorE thing. Since everybody does it.
Yeah. But guess what?
What?
I like your bangs.
Oh. Thanks.
I like your ring
Thanks.
and glasses.
These bangles are pretty nice too.
Yeah, bangles too.
What about my Jesus sandals?
Oh my god. I like.
Those are the
Ooh.
It's cool though.
Real cool.
I'm used to everybody wanting to be me. I'm conceited, so okay. Boobs, I love you.
Me
Bella
too.
too. We miss you, bitch. Come back. Why the fuck are you in PA? Hey, I'm going to New York for a month.
Month. If you
That's
didn't
right.
speak.
I'm not moving, so don't get excited, little one. Can't move away from here. I just love Florida.
The fakes. Smuts.
No, that's me.
Me too. Fast month.
We have no lives.
We don't even know what to talk about.
We don't.
Let's just dance. Sorry.
Oh, there's fucking hair.
Yo, this hair is
Yo,
a
she be looking crazy. This gross thing is an understatement.
So
really?
you gonna tell this damn computer I be looking crazy?
Really? Like, honestly?
Really? Get me?
Understand?
Honestly?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was gonna say the other one, but
Don't do it. It's a clean video.
so I'm texting. Can't tell, or I'm gonna get in trouble.
It's cool. Hey guys, I have a promise ring.
For what?
Not a dumb thing.
Keep a promise, my friend.
With the X face. Can't have people in my business. Oh, you know what we forgot? The lip gloss.
Oh. Can I have some?
Everybody has lip gloss these days.
Let's show you how to put it on.
Really?
A fat lesson.
Hey, it's almost empty. I need Yo, this fucking bag is gonna be tight, though.
How you trying to whisper? Bang's gonna be take that ass. Sit. That's real dumb.
Deja, Natalie, Deja broke glasses.
No, what you tell you a fat bitch. No,
She did.
really? I was trying on. Oh damn! I was trying
She's
on.
conceited.
Yo, for a black girl, I'm one fine ass black girl. What can I say?
I thought you wasn't black.
Oh, I'm not black. That's fair.
Guys, I can speak Spanish, and she says I'm not Puerto Rican.
And I'm a fat booty. She can't speak Spanish. I speak it better than her. What you think?
No, mujer. Mira.
Yo, I'm mad close to the camera like that's it, small. Sudi, who's texting you? Oh,
I can't say.
promise ring says you can't say.
Not even a promise ring.
So,
Just rather not say.
we in there this weekend?
I'd rather
We
go-
might. Or might go to the club. Do bigger and better things than the jet. Fat jet.
Just kidding. We love you.
Psych.
What are we doing today?
In the iPod store? Obviously. Don't you think? Ooh, it's closing. Toodles. Mwah.